What's up, y'all? This is Duana, aka Glamazon 1026, and welcome back to the Glam Room. Happy New Year again. Yes, I know we did a New Year's nails video, but now we're doing a New Year video in the Glam Room. Well, with the Glam Room as the background. So as you can see, we moved things around. We got a little bit more space. We got it a little bit more, tidy in here, and I'm really excited about that. I'm really excited to film for y'all. Anyway, today, to continue my New Year series, I'm going to be using new products to do my brows. Now, as you guys know, I am a die-hard pomade fan, and for a long time, I used ABH's Dip Brow. So I'm stepping out of the box, and I'm going to do some new brows for you today. So if you guys want to see that, stay tuned. So we're starting all the way zoomed in. My face is going through something right now. I don't know what's happening. It might just be stress, but I have broken out so bad over the past week, and I feel like it's clearing up, but then also every day I see more little white bumps. So anyway, we don't care about that. We're here for brows, right? So let's be here for brows. So I said it in, I don't remember which video it is. Oh, I think it was the one where I was trying new stuff. But eyebrows aren't as defined as they used to be. They aren't as harsh as they used to be. Like, the new style is really soft, laminated brows, brow strokes galore, whatever. So in order for me to get that, I needed to step away from the pomade, which that's my first love, and get some new tools. So today I will be using the NYX brow glue. Can y'all see that? The brow glue. And then I'm going to be using the Lift and Snatch brow tint pen, and I have the shades Espresso and Black. So I've used these before. I really like them, so I decided that my New Year, New Series would continue with brows. All right, so let's just use this to kind of just brush the brows up. But that's how you want them to go. You want them to be up. Just gonna brush this glue on so that it could stay up. And this glue is not tacky at all, so it won't leave any stickiness on your skin. If you have really full brows, you probably just need this. But as for me in my house, we are brow deficient. All right, so now I'm going to take the Espresso pen, and we're just going to use the pen to just add some definition to our brows. Ooh, look how easy that was. See the difference? Okay. Now, we don't have a tail, so we're going to have to also drag this out so that we can have a brow tail. Ooh-wee. And now look at this. We have a brow. Looks pretty good, right? So let's do the same thing to the other side. This video is gonna be so quick because it's just amazing. And I'm just gonna go through and brush everything out with a spoolie. Once we finish our outline, we're going to clean up as we usually do with the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in Chestnut. And then if necessary, you can carve out the top of your eyebrows with your foundation shade in order to make sure we don't have halo brows. So this is my new eyebrow regimen. I feel like it's so much easier than my normal pomade, and you know, eyebrows take me like less than 10 minutes now, so that's amazing. Anyway, let me finish my face and we'll wrap up. All right, y'all, this is the finished look. I think it's really cute, obviously. But yeah, the brows look really good. The brows look really good. I'm gonna zoom in so that you guys can see how they look now that it's finished. Right? Super, you know, they're there. You know, they look like brows. They look like actual hair. They don't look like, you know, pomade. I mean, I got my pomade to look pretty good too. But, you know, as far as the new trends for like the laminated brows and stuff, this is working, okay? NYX got a banger on their hands. So if you are either A, one of my brow sisters that don't got a lot of brows, you can use this product. And B, if you are a person that has nice and thick brows already and you just need something to, you know, just like make them stand up, the brow glue is perfect for you. And then if you want to just like darken them a little bit, you can use the brow tint pen and you can get like really, really, really good eyebrows. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell so that you can be a part of the Glam Fam and know exactly when I upload. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.